Dramatic effect music. Oh, boobs. Welcome to my video. I went crazy at Dollarama. Look at it, knocked me over. It knocked me over. I bought so much stuff at Dollarama, you guys, and I want to show with you. I was buying some things at Dollarama. I'm like, oh, I can make a TikTok on this. And then I bought so much that I was like, TikTok, we need to do a haul, like a whole video. Also, sweater season again. What? I mean, a lot of people are like happy. They're like, ooh, spooky fun is coming. Yay, like pantsuits. I'm like, I love summer and spring, so I'm like, ugh. And it's like cold here today, so I'm like, I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I got a lot of things. So lots of different categories: household, beauty, home decor, food items, makeup, stuff like that. So if you guys want to look at what I got, then just keep watching. And if you guys would like to be notified for my videos, if you guys see my videos pop up, you can't just subscribe anymore. You have to click the bell. So if you guys want to be notified that I post, click the bell or fall down a well. JK home slices. Also, this sweater is so cute on the back. It's like, hello, crisscross applesauce. I landed on my foot, and actually the worst way, that wasn't funny. Everyone fell. Everyone fell. Everyone fell.
Everyone is continuing to fall.
Okay, good vibes everyone today. Let's go with this first, because I'm like the most excited about what I got here. Honestly, you guys know, if you follow me, hold on. All this crunch and shake, crunch and munch, munch a bunch of crunch and munch, tooth is rotten, munch and chew some gum. Is that how it goes? Is that how the M&M goes? M&M's probably canceled right now. Now I'm canceled. I'm always canceled. Munch and munch a bunch of crunch and munch. I like that. I like it. Dale, that's enough ketchup. I like it. Okay, anyway, I don't really do well with home decor. I don't know how to make a room look cute at all. Like, this is my room decor, stuffed animals. Like, so I don't really know. But I have this like floating shelf, and I have like a bear on there. I used to have like a rhinoceros on there, and everyone's like, what? Made no sense. And then I put a little bear, and I wanted to change that up. So, I got some things to go up there. Now tell me if this looks cute, okay? It might not. Okay, so I got this little canister. I know you can use this canister for anything. Hold on, let me show you the deets. You see, it's just like, I don't know. It kind of looks like mermaid print or like scales. There's nothing in here. I'm not gonna put anything in here. Maybe a little secret message from my loved one. What am I? But I was like, this would kind of look cute up there. Okay, please bear with me here. Like I said, I don't know anything. But then I saw this. Like, I'm a genie in a bottle, like, so ex-Tina vibes. This and this. Follow my vlog channel to see if it actually looks good. I'll set it up with you guys. But I felt like this was so cute with this little sand, the seashells. Like, I didn't go to Mexico and collect this, but I guess I'm a poser. But somebody did, and I appreciate them, so I purchased it. I thought this looked like the vibes, it was vibe. And then this, I know you can hang, and you can put like a little plant in here. I've seen a lot of people do that. But not everything is what you do in life. You know what I mean? Like, not everything is like set in stone, like you're supposed to put a plant on here, because it is open. I could in the future, but I thought that just like setting it off, I just thought it was cute. I think it's gonna be different than just having a little bear with roses on it. I can put that rose bear somewhere else, but you know what I mean? Like, I just thought that this it looked really cute together. Like, I don't know. I could be way out to lunch, girlfriend. I just was very happy about that. That was probably my favorite thing that I got at Dollarama, so I wanted to show you guys that first, because I like suck at home decor, and I just thought it would be cute together, and it was so cheap. Oh my god, I didn't even tell you how much everything was, which everything's $1 unless otherwise marked. This was $3.50, this was $3.50, and this was $4. Around $10-ish to, you know, make a little change to the living room, I thought was cute. Next, the Halloween stuff is out at Dollarama. I mean, a lot of Halloween stuff is out everywhere, but at Dollarama, I was shook. And I wanted to grab this because this is good for Halloween, but it's also good for just like regular decor. I really like this. So I could put this at my bedside. I could also put it, you know, display it somewhere. I can put it in my filming room. I don't know, I just really like this. There was a white one as well. I would love to have that tattoo, like an eye right there, like a seeing eye. Like, here's my other eye. Bam! Ah! I got 3 eyes. This one was $3.50 and it was from the Halloween section, but you know, you can use it for Halloween, you can use it for many different things. We are multi-purposeful. Next bag. This one was the last one of these, and I thought this was such a good deal. So it's this Oh, it's kind of open. Oh, wow. It is called a LED fill light. And it's literally, okay, I have this light right in front right here, like this. And it literally has the exact same, wow. Oh my God, hold on. I should have done that. Okay. Uh-oh, food is so big. Load. Have mercy. And what I use has like literally almost exactly the same thing, but this one is a mini stand. This is gonna be good for like TikToks, selfies. Whenever I start up my cooking channel again, girl, I've been so slacking on the cooking channel, but I feel like this is good for like close-up things, or if I'm even on the vlog channel making something, this is good. And it's good like for a YouTuber to have like different kind of lights, because I was like struggling with lighting system like at the beginning of this year. Yes, I'm missing a nail. Don't comment on it. She gone. So let's open it up. So there are 3 settings. There is neutral, warm, and cool tone, which is also really good because sometimes I feel warm toned and sometimes I feel cool toned. And this was only $4 for a whole light setup. So like you don't need to spend a lot to like, you know, even if you want to be like a TikToker or something like that. I was gonna say Viner. Something like that. You don't need to spend a lot of money. Oh, so here's the little stand like this. You just screw this. So there isn't a place for like your phone or anything like that, but you can make shit work, honestly. Like stand up, but like, yeah, it looks like this, and then you just plug it into a USB. For $4, I was like, this is, and it really fits nicely into a drawer, compact, and yeah, I'm excited about that. The Dollarama finds, honey. I got some rags, because I always need rags. There are 4 of them in here. I know they say dishcloths, but I use them as rags. Like, I have animals, I have friends over that drink. I'm a messy, spilly person, especially for $3, less than $1 for each of them. They're always needed. Okay, I needed a new mouse pad. My mouse pad, I feel like it's like grimy. Like I use it every single day, multiple times a day, and I can just like see like the like sweat spots. I don't even know. I mean, my wrist sweats. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. And it has a little nice wrist rest right here so that I don't get arthritis. Non-slip backing. Yeah, it has a nice sturdy base, and this was only $1.50. Plain. Maybe I'll find a cute one on Amazon one day, but like I just needed a new one because whenever I see mine, there's like stains on it. There's probably like Slurpee stains and like Frappuccino stains and like Cheeto dust and stuff, and oh, I just needed a new one. So we needed one of those. I was just thinking about it for too long, and I'm like, ugh, I need a new one. Hi, Jean. Hi, Jean. How are you? So I got a new toothbrush. This one is pink and purple. It looks so cute. This was only $1. Don't go buying like crazy. Well, I mean, you might love like your toothbrush. You might be biased to it. There's also great brands and stuff like this. I don't know how well this one's gonna work, but it's always good to replace your toothbrush. I just needed a new one. Mine was like, ugh. And I always like to get the one that have soft bristles. And that's what I was always taught by my dental hygienist and my dentist, was to always get soft, never get a hard toothbrush. And I always would think to get a hard toothbrush because it would scrub your teeth. But when I heard that, I was like, and I never looked back since. I'm a survivor. There she goes. It literally looks like a Bratz doll. Does it? No, it doesn't. It looks like a My Little Pony or something. Anyway, I got a new toothpaste because it's cheaper at Dollarama, and it's the one that I use. It's the Colgate Optic White Fresh Mint Gel. It's literally the same one. It's just cheaper at Dollarama. So it's like, why? Why go spend more when you can spend less and save money, girl, and have extra money for donuts? Okay, so I had one of these so long ago, and I don't even know where mine was, and I've been wanting one, and this was only $1.25. I couldn't believe it was there. So this is a tongue scraper. So you can see there, scrapes your tongue. It's just this like stick. It kind of looks like a toothbrush, but these little like ridges right here will scrape your tongue. So the majority of your bad breath lives on your tongue. So even if you like scrub your tongue, you might not necessarily get all the bacteria and bad breath particles. So to have a scraper is really, you know, just something that's good and handy. Like especially if you eat like, for me, I'm like, when I brush my teeth, I'm good. But if I eat like onions or like garlic, you know, that taste just like lingers, like stuff like that. When I eat like Indian food, love Indian food, but I feel like it lingers in my mouth. Having one of these is a good thing, and $1.25, like, yes sirree bob. Okay, then I got a pair of boys boxers. They're a size large. I love these to sleep in or like just lounge around the house, especially if I'm wearing like a big oversized comfy shirt. These are just like booty shorts to me. They are $2.50, and yes, they fit me. Well, actually I haven't tried this brand before, but they usually fit me. That's what they look like, and they're just like really stretchy, but they like really curve. So I can't try these on for you or anything, but they're like cute, okay? They're only like $2.50. They have this on them. We are not sure. I feel like I'm on the Hunger Games or something like that. And may the odds be forever in your favor. And they're nice and stretchy. I like them. Get off me. Wear what you want, do what you want. Look in sections you wouldn't normally look at because you never know what you could find for cheap. Okay, I need a new one of these clips. You know, like this isn't for me. I wouldn't wear this out. Well, maybe it'd be cute like to put it there, but I have one of these big clips to like straighten my hair, or you know, to like separate your hair and then straighten or to curl, and mine broke. Like the teeth keep breaking. I literally have like 2 teeth left on it. I don't know how it still goes on my hair. This was only $1.25 and it looks like this. It's pretty, and yeah, it'd be good just for, you know, separating my hair. Okay, now I have to show you, oh my god, these bracelets. Look at these bracelets. Dollarama. They look like Pandora charm bracelets, but they're only $3.50 each, and I got 4 of them because I couldn't decide. Let me show you how cute. So this first one looks like this, you know, just like for a little added touch. This is like a seashell moment. Look at how beautiful it is. It doesn't look like cheapy jewelry. Or maybe it does to you, but it doesn't to me. This one here, look at all those charms. Like, I feel like just stacking these together would be amazing. There's this one with a little butterfly, purple. They just shine. And then the last one is this Elefante one, and it has like these little cute colors on here. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Okay, the very last thing is the heaviest. The very first thing in here, okay, me saying that I'm eating healthier lately. We all need snacks in our house, okay? So I have been doing better with eating better, okay? I've been eating more salad. Yes, I have snacks, okay? And I'm a snack queen. Okay, the first snacks I got were these barbecued fries. I've had something similar to this before, but I wanted to try this one's Crackle Pop ones. Oven baked, so we'll see. Is this all snacks? No, it isn't. I got these. I love these oatmeal cream pies. I've seen, I think it's in the States, maybe it's in Canada too, but I've seen it primarily in the States, how there's double of these. I wish, but these are like my favorite Little Debbie snack cakes. I love these, so I had to get them because I also haven't had them for a long time. Okay, I got some things for the mornings. I can freeze some of these. These were only $1. They don't say, so they were $1, right? Wow. They are Country Harvest cinnamon raisin bagels. Instead of like going out and getting or ordering food, a bagel is not that great for you, but at least it's something that I can make at home. And then the last snacks are 2 chocolate bars. I got an Eat More and a Butterfinger. It's so funny because I hate nuts and things, but I love Eat More. It's so weird. It's just so different. It's such a different vibe. It's so good. I got some cat litter deodorizer because I always need some more, and it's way more expensive in the store, and it's only $1 at Dollarama. I put this in the litter boxes before I put in the litter because litter is stinky, and this helps to deodorize that. And your house doesn't want to smell like cat piss, trust me. Gross. I got a novel. I just picked this one up. I briefly read the back. I didn't quite understand really what it was. If anyone has read this, tell me if you like it. It's called White Elephant, and then the image is of her cutting roses. I was like, I'm just gonna get it. It seems like interesting. I don't know. I don't really know what it's about, but it was only $3, and I love me a good novel, and I like the bright colors of it, and you can actually find good novels at Dollarama, so definitely don't sleep on your local dollar store for novels, because novels can be like $20, $30, $40. So if you can get them for a couple bucks, it's always good to have it by your bedside and read before bed instead of TikToking. Okay, I got a new lotion because mine, I always need one for every room. I feel like I'm always like bringing my lotion into every room. So I'm gonna have this one in my beauty room. This one is Vaseline Dry Skin Repair, and this was only $8. Good pickup. I love Vaseline hand care, and it's not greasy at all. And the cold weather is coming, so we don't want that vibe. We don't want dry cracked hands. I got some vitamin I don't know if these are chewables or if they're just, I don't know how big they are. I got some vitamin C. It's always good to have vitamin C. They're capsules. I can break them and swallow them. I always get chewable ones, but they are small enough that I can break them in half and swallow them. I have a hard time swallowing pills, but if I do break these ones in half, I can swallow them. But these are vitamins. Like, vitamins are good to have. Vitamin C, girl. Got some forks. I'm always running out of forks. I don't know why. And these were only $1.25 for 3 of them. Okay, I got a new hairbrush. This one is so adorable. Mine is so old. I've just had one for so long. And this one's called Flexi's Cushioned Hairbrush. And it starts pink and it goes to a blue. And there's some purples in there as well. I thought this was really pretty. I just think, like, if I'm replacing everything else, why not replace your hairbrush, right? So, I mean, I take off the hair, but still, like, there's still, you know, so I just wanted to replace it, and this was $4, and it's so pretty. It's like a unicorn hairbrush. 2 makeup items. I got this Rimmel eyebrow pencil in dark brown, right? Yeah, dark brown. So if I run out of my eyebrow pencil and I just need a little touch up, because how I'm doing my brows now, I don't really need an eyebrow pencil, but just slightly to fill in. I just need ever so slightly, so when mine runs out, I can use this one and see how it goes. I mean, it was only $1, so. And then I wanted to try the Wet n Wild's Volume Mega Volume Mascara. Do you guys see that before and after right here? Do we believe? And I really like that it was pink as well, so may as well give it a try. I got this, but I really wanted to like start wearing these little head things. One of my best friends wears one of these all the time and it looks so good on her. And it's good like if you're having like a bad hair day, just like throw it up and then throw your hair in a ponytail or a bun or something. It's like looks so effortless. And this one was really pretty with the tie-dye and the pinks. It kind of went along the same vibe as the brush. So I got that and it was $1.75. I got this joke of the day. Okay, now this is a desk calendar, but I'm thinking of, I don't think every single vlog, but I think it would be fun to like read one of these jokes in the vlog channel, because I used to do like, you know, different things in the vlog channel, and I want to cute, clean, hilarious jokes to add a smile to your day. $4. So I'm not going to use it like as a desk calendar, as in like January 1st is this joke, because I might not be vlogging on January 1st, you know. Maybe I'll start with the vlog I'm filming right now and just read the first joke, even though it's 2022. But I think it would be cool like to start that. So that's why I got this, because you know my vlogs, I love doing vlogs. I think they're amazing, and I still have such a passion for it. So that's why I got that. By the way, I opened this brush. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty it is. Like, girl, the dollar store, like even if I go to Walmart and try to find brush, I feel like they're not that cute. But like, you can sometimes find the cutest things at dollar stores, so don't sleep on them. And last but not least, I got a wig from the Halloween section. This was $4. I don't know if I'll be able to make this work, but I feel like the Halloween section was gonna be scooped up super quick. And this one looks cute. Like if I wore, like even if I braided it, or I don't know, or even if I just wore a hat on, I've been loving wigs. Maybe I can make it work, girl. I don't know. I'm not gonna try it on right now, but I just wanted to grab it and see what I can do with it. So that was everything I got at the dollar store. And if you guys watch my next vlog, you'll be able to see, or a vlog probably it's already posted. I don't know, but I'll be setting up these things in the vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, by the way, this was 2 trips that I went for Dollarama, 2 different trips combined into one. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!